Hello guys, welcome back to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see the array logic concept. So in the array logic concept particularly we are going to see the PROM, that is a programmable ROM, PAL programmable array logic, and PLA, that is programmable logic array. Let us try to see the first problem directly. In this section first we are starting with the programmable ROM. So this one is programmable ROM. We are seeing number of lines in which inputs, this is the input section. We have three inputs, particularly A, B and C, and their equivalent complements A bar, B bar and C bar, therefore NOT gate, and AND gate array and the OR gate array. Now before starting this you need to understand what are the links associated with the array logic. Now there are two type of links to interconnect the AND array or the OR array. So first one is what we have here, this kind of link shown, which is called as fixed link, means that kind of joint cannot be removed technically. And another one is there is cross. Cross is nothing but the fusible link. Now what is the difference between the fusible link and fixed link we will see afterwards. So let us say there are a mixture of fixed links and fusible links here. So what I have here is and some fixed links here. So what I can do, I can write it down here as this array is nothing but fixed and array. Why? Because all the links are fixed. This joint cannot be altered, which is shown by a dot. And the next one means this AND operation what I have here is due to these dots, and A bar is not associated, B and C bar. So this AND product I will get B C bar, and for this AND I'll get A B bar C. So I'll get here A B bar C. To get the OR, let me say first function it consists of this one only, and second one is nothing but both the links are associated with. Means what, if I say this is the function 1, it is F1 will be equal to then only BC bar, whereas F2 will be equal to function 2, this section, that is equal to OR array, this and or this and, because both the links are attached with the fusible link, that's why F2 will be equal to BC bar plus or A B bar C. So this is the final equation. So this kind of structure is used here, which is consist of only cross or the fusible links. It is called as programmable OR array. Now why it is called as programmable? Because this is a fusible link. Now let me explain you the links. Fusing means melting, so the point is here fusible link. Fixed link is done, means it cannot be altered. It is the fixed joint between the two lines B and this one, C bar and this one, B bar and this one, likewise. But what is fusing? Fusing is melting, that is nothing but fusible link, and which is used to program the read-only memories. Now how actually this works, suppose there are two lines. Now I want to make a fusible link here like this. This is the symbol what I have drawn here, it's a symbol, but how actually it is there is a fuse in between these two lines which melts. If it melts, the connection is broken down. Suppose all the connections are present. Now let me think, in this case this was also there, but what I did, I supplied a surge current. Surge current means for very short duration of time a high impulse current I passed from this line to this line, due to which fuse link melts. So by the time it melts, the connection is open. So the same thing I did here, due to which this connection is not present there, so I melted the fuse over there. So because of that the connection was vanished. Otherwise it was programmable. All the links, fusible links are always present there. To remove the fusible link, what you need to do, across these two wires here, for the example here I have shown, across these two wires I need to supply surge current, due to which whatever the fuse was there, it was melted and the connection was made open. So this is how the fusible link or the programmable link you can say works. Okay, now depending on this type of structure where there is a AND array and OR array is associated, depending on these combinations between AND array and OR array, whether there is programmable or is a fixed array of AND or programmable array of AND, it is divided into three sections: PROM, PAL and PLA. The most important point that I wanted to tell you is that about the links and the search current. With the help of search current is passed for a very short duration of time to break the connection between the two lines or the two arrays. Depending on this, we can categorize into PROM, PAL and PLA.